Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve some more problems of PGCET MCA 2020 questions. So the question is the sum of integers from 1 to 100 which are not divisible by 3 or 5 is, so they have given 4 options. So this is a 2-mark question. So let us see how to solve this question. So to solve this question, you should know some of the concepts. So one is sum of the first n natural numbers. So sum of the first n natural numbers we can write it as, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Suppose you have to find sum of first 100 natural numbers. So then n value becomes 100. So what we are getting? 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on plus 100 is equals to 100 into 100 plus 1 divided by 2. So one more thing you should know is sum of the arithmetic progression. So let us see what is the meaning of arithmetic progression. Consider any sequence of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, so on. So this type of sequence we are going to call it as arithmetic progression. Means if you take any two consecutive terms, so the difference will be same. Suppose if you want, we can take one example. Suppose if you take 5, 10, 15, 20, so on. So this sequence we are going to call it as arithmetic progression, because if you take difference of any two consecutive terms, so that is 5 here, 10 minus 5 becomes 5, 15 minus 10 is 5, 20 minus 15 becomes 5. So this type of sequence we are going to call it as arithmetic progression. So then what is the sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression? So we can denote it by Sn. Sn means sum of first n terms of the arithmetic progression. So that is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. This sum is same as Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus n, where a is the first term and l is the last term. So if you know the first and last term, so we can use this formula. Otherwise, if you don't know the last term, but if you know only sum of first n number of terms, then you can use this formula. So we are going to use these two concepts to find the sum of integers from 1 to 100 which are not divisible by 3 or 5. Now let us see the solution of this problem by using the concept studied earlier. So we have to find sum of integers from 1 to 100 which are not divisible by 3 or 5. Means what we can do here, we can find the sum of all integers from 1 to 100. So sum of integers not divisible by 3 or 5 is equals to, what we can do here, we can find sum of all integers from 1 to 100, that is sum of integers from 1 to 100 minus if you subtract sum of integers which are divisible by 3 or 5, that is sum of integers divisible by 3 or 5. So if you find sum of integers from 1 to 100 minus, if you subtract that one, this quantity, by sum of the integers which are divisible by 3 or 5. So what we are going to get? We are going to get sum of integers not divisible by 3 or 5. So that is equals to, what is the sum of integers from 1 to 100? As I have given the formula. So sum of first n integers is given by, sum of first n positive integers is given by what? N into n plus 1 by 2. So here n value becomes how much? 100. So we can write it as 100 into 100 plus 1, that is 101 by 2, minus sum of the integers divisible by 3 or 5. So what is the sum of the integers divisible by 3? So if you see the numbers which are divisible by 3 between 1 to 100, so what are the numbers we are going to get? First number is 3. So our last number is 99. So total how many numbers we have? 33 numbers. If you divide 99 by 3, we are going to get 33 numbers. So we can consider numbers divisible by 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. So this is an arithmetic progression. So sum of these numbers, if you use the formula, so we know the first number here, we know the last number. So we can use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus n. So how many numbers we have total? 33 numbers. So I can write n by 2, that is 33 by 2 into a plus n. So a means first number, so that is 3. L means last number, that is 99. Similarly, R means we have to add sum of integers divisible by 5. So what are the numbers divisible by 5? So 5, 10, 15, so on till 100. 100 means 100 is also divisible by 5. So total how many numbers are there divisible by 5? So 100 divided by 5 means we are going to get 20. So there are 20 numbers which are divisible by 5. So again it is in AP. If you add all these numbers, so what is the sum? As I told, n by 2 numbers are 20. 20 by 2 into first number is 5, and last number, what is last number? That is 100. Minus, see here, we have to subtract some quantity. See here, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So there are some numbers which are repeated. So if you divide the integers from 1 to 100 by 3 or 5, so there are some numbers which are divisible by both 3 as well as 5. So here what happens, the repetition is there. To avoid that repetition, so we have to subtract the numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 5. So which are the numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 5? So if you take the LCM of 3 and 5, so LCM is 15. So numbers which are divisible by 15 we have to subtract. So how many numbers are there? 15 means 15, 30, 45, so on. Last number is 90. Okay, numbers less than or equals to 100 means last number which is divisible by 15 is 90. So there are total 6 numbers which are divisible by 15. So n by 2, that is 6 by 2. First number is how much? 15, and last number is 90. So if you simplify this one, you will get the answer. So 100 divided by 2, that is 50 into 101 minus. So here 93 plus 3 becomes 102. 102 divided by 2, that is 51. So 33 into 51 plus here 20 by 2 becomes 10. 10 into 105 minus 2 3s are 6. 3 into 90 plus 15 becomes 105. So that is 101 into 50. That is 51s are 50. Again 51s are 50. 50 50 minus. So 33 into 51. So what we are going to get? 51 into 33. So 3 1s are 3 5s are 1683 plus here we can take 105 common. So 10 minus 3, that is 7 into 105. So 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7. So that is equals to 5050 minus 1683 plus 735. So what we are going to get? 8 11 4 2418. So 2418. So if you subtract 5050 minus 2418. So 5050 minus 2418. So what we are going to get here? 2 3. So here 10 minus 6. 4 minus 2 becomes 2632. So 2632. So the right option is option C, that is 2632. So next question, if x, y, z are in GP, GP means geometric progression, and a power x is equals to b power y is equals to c power z, then which of the following is correct? First option, log a to the base b is equals to log c to the base a. Second option, log b to the base c is equals to log c to the base a. Third option, log a to the base b is equals to log b to the base c. Fourth option, none of this. So this is a 1 mark question. So let us see the solution. So first we should know the meaning of GP. Suppose consider any sequence of this form A, AR, AR square, AR cube, so on. So this type of sequence we are going to call it as geometric progression. Means it should have common ratio. So here we are, A is the first term. A is the first term of the GP and R is the common ratio. For example, consider the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, so on. So if you take the ratio of any two consecutive terms, see here 4 divided by 2. So what we are going to get, that is 4 by 2 is 2, that is same as 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is also 2, that is same as 16 by 8. So that is same as 32 by 16. So means if you take the ratio of any two consecutive terms, that should be same. So this type of sequence we are going to call it as geometric progression. Now they have given x, y, z are in GP. So as I told the meaning of geometric progression. So since x, y, z are in GP, so what we can write? y by x is same as z by y. And they have given a power x is equals to b power y is equals to c power z. So consider a power x is equals to b power y is equals to c power z. So taking log on both sides. So what we can write, log of a power x is equals to log of b power y is equals to log of c power z. So we have seen the property of log, that is log of a power b can be written as b log a. So log a power x, what we can write? We can write it as x into log a. So that is equals to log b power y. So what we can write? Y into log b. So that is equals to log of c power z. What we can write? Z into log c. So I will take this is equals to some constant. Since all are equal, so I will take that value as some k. Now from here, x log a is equals to k. So what I can write? X log a is equals to k. So log a value. So log a value, what I can write? I can write it as k by x. Similarly, y log b is equals to k. So log b value becomes how much? K by y. Similarly, z log c is equals to k, or log c value becomes k by z. Here we have to check which of the option is correct. See here, log a to the base b. How to get log a to the base b? So again we are using one more property. Log a to the base b is same as log a by log b. So that is equals to, what is the value of log a? Log a means k by x by log b. Log b value is k by y. So if you simplify what you are going to get here, that is y by x. K will get cancelled. So you will get y by x. Similarly, find the value of log b to the base c. Log b to the base c can be written as log b divided by log c. So what is the value of log b? That is k by y divided by log c. Log c means k by z. Again, if you simplify, what happens? K will get cancelled. So the value is z by y. Again, find out log c to the base a. Log c to the base a is equals to, what we can write? Log c divided by log a. Log c. Log c means k by z divided by log a. Log a means k by x. So if you simplify, what we are going to get? K will get cancelled. That is x by z. Now see here, which is the right option. Whether log a to the base b is equals to log c to the base a. This is log a to the base b. This is log c to the base a. If you see the RHS, y by x, whether it is same as x by z at the beginning, y by x, it is not same. So then which one is correct? From here we can see that y by x is same as z by y. So here we have y by x, here z by y. So since these two are equal, what we can conclude? Log a to the base b is same as log b to the base c. So the correct option is option C. Log a to the base b is same as log b to the base c, because at the beginning what we have got, since x, y, z are in GP, we got y by x is same as z by y. Next question. If h is the harmonic mean between a and b, then the value of h by a plus h by b is, options are 2, ab by a plus b, a plus b by ab, none of these. So this is 1 mark question. So let us see the solution. So first we should know what is harmonic progression. So we have seen arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Now let us see what is the meaning of harmonic progression. So you know arithmetic progression means any sequence of this form, a plus d, a plus 2d, so on, we are going to call it as arithmetic progression. Means the difference should be same between any two consecutive terms of the sequence. So if you take the reciprocal of arithmetic progression, that is 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d. So this sequence we are going to call it as harmonic progression. So this is the arithmetic progression. So if you take reciprocal of arithmetic progression, you will get harmonic progression. Example: 6, 12, 18, 24. So this is what? This is the arithmetic progression, because if you take the difference between any two consecutive terms, that is 6. So reciprocal of this. So what we are going to get? 1 by 6, 1 by 12, 1 by 18, 1 by 24, so on. So this is a harmonic progression. So now let us see harmonic mean. So the formula for harmonic mean. So you should know the formula for arithmetic mean as well as geometric mean. So if you take any two numbers a and b, so arithmetic mean is given by a plus b by 2. Geometric mean is given by root of ab. Harmonic mean is given by 2ab by a plus b. So this means what? Suppose if you take a and b any number, so then if you take this value as c, then what happens? If you consider the sequence a, c, b, again this is in the form of which one? It is also arithmetic progression. Again if you take this value as some d, then what happens? A, d and b. So this is what? This is a geometric progression. Suppose if you take this value as some e, then a, e, b will be what? Harmonic progression. So you should remember these formulas. If a and b are any two numbers, arithmetic mean means a plus b by 2, geometric mean means root of ab, harmonic mean means 2ab by a plus b. Now let us solve the problem. Now we have to find the value of h by a plus h by b. So that is h by a plus h by b. So since h is the harmonic mean, so what is the value of harmonic means? 2ab by a plus b. So I can replace h by 2ab by a plus b. So this is h divided by a. So into 1 by a plus, again h means what? 2ab by a plus b divided by b. So I can write it as into 1 by b. So here we can cancel A. So here I can cancel B. So what we are going to get here? 2B by A plus B. Here 2A by A plus B. So that is equals to. So we can take A plus B as LCM. So numerator, what we are going to get? 2B plus 2A. So that is equals to, I can take 2 as common from the numerator, that is 2 times B plus A divided by A plus B. So A plus B will get cancelled. So the required answer is 2. So the correct option is option A. Next question. If 4 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 9, then which of the following is true? First option, x minus 4 into x minus 9 less than 0. Second option, x minus 4 into x minus 9 greater than 0. Third option, x minus 4 into x minus 9 less than or equals to 0. Fourth option, x minus 4 into x minus 9 greater than or equals to 0. So this is a 1 mark question. So very simple question. So here x can take values from 4 to 9, including 4 and 9. So we have to check which of the following is inequality is true if x takes the values from 4 to 9. Suppose if I take x is equals to 4. If you see the first inequality, if you substitute x is equals to 4, what happens? 4 minus 4, 0 into 4 minus 9. So that is 0 into something is 0. 0 less than 0. So which is false. So we can eliminate first option. Again, if you substitute in second option, 4 minus 4, 0 into 4 minus 9. Again 0 greater than 0. This is also false. So we can eliminate second option. But if you consider third and fourth option, here what happens? 0 less than or equals to 0. Here also we are going to get 0 greater than or equals to 0. So x is equals to 4 means these two inequality satisfies. So we will take some more value. Suppose if I take x is equals to 5. So here what we are going to get? 5 minus 4, that is 1. 5 minus 9, that is minus 4, less than or equals to 0. Here 5 minus 4, that is 1 into minus 4 greater than or equals to 0. If you take x is equals to 5, what happens? Minus 4 greater than or equals to 0. So this is false. So we can eliminate this option. So for any value of x which lies between 4 and 9, so the correct option is option C. So this is very simple question. Thank you.